We begin tonight with the latest fight over property owners' rights versus preserving Denver's history. This time, there's a twist. Good evening, I'm Jacqueline Allen.
Thank you for joining us. I'm Jason Grenauer. Some Denver residents want to sell their condos to a developer, but their neighbors want the building declared a landmark, so the owners would have to say no. Denver 7's Lance Hernandez talking to both sides in a fight starting to sound familiar.
Should this 6-unit condo building be designated a landmark? None of the owners want that designation, but some neighbors do. The owners want to sell Carmen Court Condos, which were built in the 20s, to a developer who wants to demolish them and build a 5-story senior living center. Neighbors putting the brakes on those plans with a landmark application.
Without any owner's consent is disheartening, frustrating, upsetting.
If it only depends on people asking to be designated as a landmark, you're going to lose a lot of really important buildings.
The owners hired Heritage Consulting Group, which determined the structure did not meet any landmark criteria.
We've had other very experienced and knowledgeable historic preservation consultants look at that report, and they side with our view that it does meet the criteria.
Neighbor Malcolm Murray says the owners all stand to make a handsome profit if they sell to other home buyers. But the owners say that will barely allow them to buy another home. If they sell to a developer, they say they'll make a premium.
Somebody can put their grandson through college. Another person is getting out of huge credit card debt.
This isn't the first squabble over landmark designation. Neighbors tried to get Tom's Diner on Colfax designated a landmark, but gave up the fight after the owner said it was his only asset and he wanted to retire. In Berkeley, City Council just saved the Olinger Moore Howard Funeral Chapel from the wrecking ball with a landmark designation.
It might be different if this were a public place that people made use of and went into, and they had events here, but it's private property.
The Landmark Commission will hear arguments on both sides Tuesday afternoon.
It is a special feature of the neighborhood.
Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.